So we received another question. So, hey Michael, can I only choose one acquire? That's a super question. In Billwerk Plus, you have the option of enabling multiple acquires. And why would you do this? One of the reasons why we see merchants enabling multiple acquires could be that some acquires accept Visa and MasterCard, others accept Amex and China Union Pay or other cards. But we also see a trend with our merchants that they enable a backup acquire. So if one acquire is having trouble processing the transactions or have a planned maintenance, our merchants can just switch to the alternative acquire. So that could be a really good reason to get one.